Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the screen on feature on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And right here we have the screen on icon. We can tap on it to enable it, and basically when you enable this feature, your screen will be on for 5 minutes, as you could see right here. Screen on for 5 minutes. And you can disable it by tapping on this icon right again. You can also adjust the duration of the screen on feature. To do it, open the settings, find display and tap on it. Here, scroll down, select advanced, and we have screen on option right here. Tap on it, and now we can swipe up and down to adjust the duration of the screen on feature. For example, let's select 20 minutes, then tap the check mark to confirm. Let's go back to home screen, open the quick panel, turn off the screen on, and then tap on it again. As you can see now, it says screen on for 20 minutes. And that's how you enable the screen on feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.